And that fourth cluster may not look like what you think it should look like. Remember, for me, my guess was up here somewhere. Why is this not a cluster, right? If you made that a cluster, you take a lot of the variability out there, right? So this is interesting, guys. This is why we do the process, right? Now we're going to give Satyam credit, assuming he's being on, or they're being honest, right? But you know, Satyam was the only one that saw that, right? The horizontal break, not the vertical break. A couple of us are saying, hey, we saw the vertical break, right? Rex says, would we need to repeat and see if it gives us the result? No, Rex, because the data is the data, right? And this is what our work, our mathematical work behind the scenes has led us to show that this is the number of clusters that minimizes the errors, right? Now, what we can do is we can, as we said, we know that at 4 is where you start getting the best results. And there's only slight improvements after that, right? So the more interesting exercise is to start trying 8 clusters, 10 clusters, seeing what that looks like. Because in theory, that does get more accurate, just not as much as going for 3 clusters, right? So we could try it, but it kind of becomes a different exercise in that way, right? Satyam says, I saw the clear gap in between the cluster. Yeah, but a lot of us saw it vertically, not horizontally though, Satyam.